Hi everyone!
Let's talk about our new innovation.
So let's talk about the old model first. By only having the ability to show the lungs and diaphragm movements while breathing and still no ribcage movements, it's just so much less accurate. Therefore, we were inspired to create a way of showing the movement of the ribcage by using the mechanism of an umbrella. Well, an upside-down umbrella to be specific. Now you may wonder, how does an umbrella really work? So, the runner moves up, extending the stretches, which in turn push up against the ribs. This creates a force that fully extends the canopy. In this case, the runner pulls downwards as the umbrella is upside down.
Therefore, we incorporated this technology into our model in relation to the ribcage movement. How does this apply to the human body, you ask? The runner represents the diaphragm. When the runner is pulled downwards, it's like when you contract the diaphragm. From this, we can conclude that your chest moves upwards in inhalation when your diaphragm contracts simultaneously. Vice versa when it comes to exhalation.
Apart from that, the other functions are about the same, but it's prettier, cooler on the eyes obviously.
We decided to name our model Lucid Lungs. Why, you ask? Lucid means bright or luminous. Bright means we want to shed light on people's understanding of how lungs really work. Coincidentally, lucid also means easy to understand.
The main purpose we improved this model is to make people understand the breathing mechanism easier, hence the usage of the word lucid.
In short, lucid equals easy.
Of course, this model is eco-friendly and almost costs nothing. By reusing recyclable items, we are practicing one of the components of the 5R practice, which is reuse, reduce, recycle, restore, and recovery. Isn't that great?
Wow, that sounds amazing if you ask me.
We learned a lot today, right guys?
We sure did.
Well, I guess that's all for now. Thanks and bye guys!
Our heartfelt thank yous to Puan Sumati and Datin Wan Nur Ashikin for supervising us throughout the competition, and IPG Campus Perempuan Melayu Melaka for providing a platform for us to churn out our ideas and use our creativity. And last but not least, thank you to our team members for all their hard work and dedication.